Hello students, I just wanted to show you and welcome you to your recording media class. This is your course home page, and as we go through I'm going to show you the syllabus, which you are going to have to review. This is a 2-unit class. It's online. The textbooks I want you to use for this class is Bouchong and your Carlton. We also are going to be using your Carter book, which is your digital radiography and PACS. It should have come with your bundle. Also, we're going to be covering the ASRT Essentials of Digital Imaging, modules 1 through 7. So the important dates for you to know: we start school on Monday the 25th, and the last day is a Friday on the 21st. Important dates for you: we have a holiday on the 12th and the 15th of February. Spring break is the March 28th through the 2nd. And the last day to drop with the W is April 8th, although you better not drop. So this course talks about processing and storing of digital images along with film. So we're going to talk about film, CR, and DR. Here's your learning objectives with your outcomes. The idea is for you to be able to identify the different image receptors with their structure and their function, and describe the technical factors needed when using the different imaging receptors and why. So the areas that we're going to be covering here are all listed for you, lots and lots. The important part here is your weekly assignments. They're going to be 20% of your grade. Your quizzes are 25% of your grade. You have two tests, 15% each, so 30%. Your final exam is 25%. That totals 100%. We have the same grade curve as a 93 for the cutoff, 83 for cutoff, 75 for cutoff. And with this class, it's important that I read this portion to you. Students must pass the final exam in order to pass the class. If the student fails the final but has enough points to pass the course, the student will retake the final within a week of the first final and must pass the final in order to move forward in the program. So if you don't pass the final, which is cumulative, and you have enough points to pass the class, then you can retake it once. And if you don't pass the final, then you're out of the program. If you fail the final and do not have enough points in the class to get a C, you will be removed from the program. So the idea is this is all cumulative information and you need to retain it. So don't just memorize the stuff and then get rid of it. This is a cumulative final. It's going to have to carry you through until your national exam. Okay, so if you need any help with DSPS, you need to let us know, and everything for Blackboard, if you're having any problems, is here. You have to log on a few times a week. It tells me if you're logging in and doing your work, so make sure you do it. If you miss anything, it's a 0. If it's excused absence that you've talked to me about, you'll have 1 week to make it up upon your return. So if you don't make it up, you'll get a 0. That's the only way I can keep you guys on track. Don't fall behind. This is a 2-unit class, and it's very easy to fall behind. So stay current. You'll have assignments up. You have to do the work. And here is my statement. And you can look at the school's policy on cheating. A lot of the assignments I'm going to have you do through Safe Signs. So please don't cheat. I don't want to kick you out. I want you to stay. All right. So that is your syllabus and the tentative schedule. And you notice I put tentative. You know me and my tentative schedules. They are fluid depending on how the pace of the class is going. So my introduction is here, and then the darkroom and viewing conditions, which is going to be out of your QA book and PAP. That's Chapter 3. Radiographic film is next week, and you can see the different books we're using there. And we go into film and intensifying screens, then followed by film processing and silver recovery. So I'm going to give you an exam just for film. You're going to get test 1, film only. So then after that's over, we're going to roll into digital. So we're going to talk about what is digital, and there's a video and a worksheet that I'll have you complete. Then we're going to go into computed radiography, and then we're going to start with ASRT Module 1, and there's a worksheet that goes with that. I haven't decided if it's going to be a worksheet or a quiz. It's going to be one of the two. We roll into digital radiography. We're going to go into the digital imaging to follow, and there's modules with each. Then, yay, spring break. Now I try to stagger my tests and my classes, so after spring break you're going to have test 2. I'll post it early if you want to take it before spring break, so it'll be up to you. You can either take it before or after. It'll be posted for you, but that is going to be your April 4th week is going to be your test 2. April 11th, Digital Characteristics, which is ASRT Module 4. We're into the Carter book now, into Chapter 2. And Digital Processing and Manipulation, we're in ASRT Module 5 and Chapter 3 of Carter. And Basic Computer Principles, and we're going to be in Carter 7 and 8. PACS Fundamentals, PACS Archiving, and ASRT Module 6, and that's going to be chapters 9 and 10, and ensuring quality in PACS and testing and digital imaging, along with ASRT Module 7. So Carter 11 and 12, and then you're going to have your final. So very important you stay pace. As you can see, it's a busy schedule. And within your learning modules, I actually, on my end, have them all loaded for week 1, 2, 3, all the way through for the 16 weeks. And you can see here is your first PowerPoint. If you click on it, watch video, it'll play for you. I'll have the quiz posted probably tomorrow. It's written, it's just the system's being really slow on posting, so it hasn't posted yet. So there's also the viewing PowerPoint. So there'll be 2 PowerPoints here. And like I said, the system's running very, very slow. I'll have it posted for you tonight though. So there'll be the darkroom and then viewing of film. So we're talking about all the different light boxes and view boxes for you. So those 2 will be posted along with the quiz. Okay, so if you need me, you can send me a message here through Blackboard. There's a calendar, and you're going to have assignments posted in here that are going to be due, and it should post for all your classes. You are also going to have assignments. So within the assignments, you can see here in week 1, and I'll put a reminder in the learning modules. In assignments, I'm going to have different articles and different things for you to do. So in week 1 article, I have darkroom disease. So I want you to read the article and answer the questions. This assignment is due Sunday night, January 31st by midnight. So what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and respond to these. I would copy and paste them in a Word document, and then I'd upload them for the assignment. So get that into me. All your assignments are going to be due Sunday night by midnight. So each week you're going to have an additional assignment along with a PowerPoint, a worksheet or a quiz, and an article of some sort, okay? All right, so that is your digital imaging course, and I hope you enjoy it. If you have questions, feel free to shoot me an email. You can post something in discussions. So if you have any questions for the whole class, you can start a forum, and you guys can all learn from each other. All right. Good luck, and I'm here for you if you need me.